Alright, everybody, I'm going to try this camera angle. Oh, I guess that's not going to work. I'm trying to figure out some way to get this thing to get us a decent camera angle. Alright, let's try it this way. So, yesterday I made this card using this card kit. It is this card kit. The Simple Vintage Woodlands. I'm going to use this paper to protect the surface. And today I'm going to use the card kit and try to come up with my own idea. So first, I'm going to grab a card blank right here. And I'm going to try to fold it a little bit straighter this time. Hopefully my sound's working and everything's working. Okay, that should be a little bit straighter this time. Yes, better. Okay. All right, so now I need a background. And what I want to try to do is some of these things I poked out from the chipboard. Some of them I didn't use, and I would like to use them so I don't lose them. And maybe I already have. Well, here's one. Okay. So, it's two of the butterflies. This one and this one. And since I'm going to use those, let me see which background I want to use. Okay, let's go ahead and use this background. I could use the blue. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try the blue. And even though there's those little nibs on there, they're real easy because this paper is not real thick. And it's real easy to just take my nail on along the edge and it gets rid of them. I think I'm going to put the light at the top, I believe. And do we want a border on it? Let's see. How about we do, let's do, I'm gonna do this one, I think, right here. It's not a border, so maybe we won't do a border. But we'll see. We'll choose our pieces and put it on there. And again, I'm gonna just go over with my nail. I don't see any obvious nibs sticking up, but you can feel them when you bring your nail along that way. Okay, we got a butterfly. I think I'm gonna want this butterfly in the brown. This butterfly can go here. And I think we want to do flowers. I don't think I want, wait, I need some words to fit in there or something. I'm not seeing any words that are going to fit in there. So here we go. Thinking of is here. Oh, that kind of ripped in the back, but that's okay. And again with the little nubs. This one, the little nibs. Okay, I'm gonna bring this down. Thinking of here's a U. Yeah, they'll both fit. Thinking of you. Butterfly, butterfly, and some flowers now to maybe go along the side here. And I'm really liking this one. Oh, you haven't seen it yet. I'm poking it out. You'll see it here in just a minute. And like I said yesterday, if you have inks, you can ink the edges. I probably would. I just don't have any inks with me. I'm gonna have to kind of pull this. There we go. And I'm gonna take any nibs and just kind of smooth them out. After I'm done doing the card, we'll look and see if I used anything together like they did. Thinking of you. Something should be on the bottom. Like a bow or something. There's stars and hearts. I don't want to do that. Yeah, I think there's no bows. So there's this little thing I can put here to make it look like that's clipped on. I think I'll use that right there. That works. Okay, let's glue it together and see how it goes. I hope the sound is working. I hope everything's working. I don't know why the sound wasn't working in the other one. And maybe it was something. I don't know. Uh-oh. I just ran out of tape. This wouldn't work the other day, so I'm gonna have to get something to clean it out. Okay. Don't want to pause it. Let me be right back, hopefully, with some adhesive. Let me try this bottle. Hopefully, it will work. And hopefully I can unplug this one. Okay, so this needs to come up here. Right. Now, this is going to be here. You. And thinking of so a little glue on there. Thinking of and you. You know, I might bring that down a little bit and cut it off. It's kind of right there. Yeah. So a little adhesive on here. Okay, and it's your board butterfly. And we'll put this one flying off the page. Okay. Now it can go on the card blank. They come with the card blanks, but they don't come with the envelopes. I find that kind of odd. Okay. So I'll need to grab some scissors, just trim that off and that off. Close this. Let me grab some scissors. I'll be right back. I already know where they are. They're my mom's scissors, and she always keeps them in a certain spot, so it makes it easy. All right, just a little trim. I didn't want to trim him. I wanted him on good. Oh well, he's gonna be a little harder to trim. There we go. Now, let's look and compare it. No, it's sort of in the same mode. I did kind of use the same mode at the background and adding stuff. Here's where they used, oh look, so they got the blue butterfly. They got this background. They've got the U. They got the clip, but they got the clip holding thankful for. They got another blue butterfly here. And they used different flowers and they brought them way up high. And they also put this here, like a border here, where I didn't do that. But it's real close to theirs. So, you know, you can do what you want. And if you want to make it last for more cards, then you don't have to add as much as they add. You know, that's just a good example of that. So, there you go. Card number 2 from the Simple Vintage Woodland card set. All right, everybody. If you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again, and I hope this video is much better. Everybody, have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.